Yeah.
With murders and shootings on the increase, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is expected to address the nation and outline a detailed crime plan for the country.
National Security Minister Robert Montague made the disclosure in Parliament yesterday as the country grapples with a 25% increase in murders. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
1,194, the number of reported murders in Jamaica between January 1 and October 2. Last year, during the same period, it was 954. That means murders are up by roughly 25%. St. James heads the list with 220, followed by Clarendon and Westmoreland. National Security Minister Robert Montague told Parliament on Tuesday that even though murders and shootings are up, all other categories of major crimes are going down.
Overall, however, crime is down compared to the same period last year.
And even though the zones of special operation have taken off, there is still some way to go in solving Jamaica's crime problem. The new opposition spokesman on national security even called for the government to present a proper crime plan.
Our Prime Minister will be shortly addressing the nation to outline the all-of-government response to crime and to lay the boundaries of how the government in its totality will be treating with the matter of crime and violence.
While the nation awaits that update, Mr. Montague believes Jamaica is making progress in the fight against crime, pointing to recent discoveries, including illegal guns and wanted men.
Our investment into the intelligence network is slowly beginning to pay huge dividends. I have always said that fighting crime is not an overnight issue, because there is no quick fix, no silver bullet, and no switch to turn crime on or off.
And on the issue of police morale, Mr. Montague congratulated the 28 police personnel who were recently promoted.
I am also renewing my call for others to be promoted, as there are still over some 300 vacancies to be filled. And as we all know, a lack of promotion can lead to a lowering of morale within the force.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.